Every magnetic knife holder is shipped with screws, and these may be longer than the thickness of your cabinet. You can install it with shorter screws and still have a solid mount. Alternatively, you can install it on a thin cabinet wall like the one in this video with double-sided removable tape. It makes it easier to remove while still being secured properly to the cabinet. You can choose to use Gorilla heavy-duty mounting tape, 3M extremely strong mounting tape, or in this case we're using the 3M double-sided removable tape. They have tabs on them for damage-free removal. Since we're not using the screws for this install, begin by tapping the wood plugs into the face of the knife holder. Rotate the plugs to match the grain on the knife holder. Gently tap them into place and do not hammer past flush. Make sure you clean the back of the knife holder with mineral spirits thoroughly before the next step. The wood needs to be free of any oils in order for the adhesive to stick properly. Determine where you'll put it on the cabinet and keep in mind the length of your knives. Straighten the knife holder with a level and lightly mark the cabinet with a pencil. You can use the 3M or Gorilla tape for a more permanent mounting solution, but in this case we're using the 3M tab tape. Apply 3M double-sided tape to the top and bottom of the back of the knife holder. Peel the film off and position your knife holder. Press firmly for at least 30 seconds. It's very important that you hold it in place for the adhesive to stick properly. Hang your knives with confidence and you're done.